Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's gonna be a really fun one, and I'm gonna be doing it with my puppy here. We're gonna be making some art, so let's hop right to it. Okay, so I have my paper. I have wipes, because I'm definitely gonna need that. And I have the paint colors that I'm gonna use, as well as some plates to put them in. So, set these out here. I thought some fun colors for summer, fall would be this like yellow, a nice purple, and then kind of a deep pink. I'm gonna water them all down just a smidge. And then, yeah, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun, I promise. Gonna go grab some water. I'll be right back. I'm hoping if it's watered down, it'll be a little bit easier to get off of his paws. But he might have some pretty colorful paws for a little bit. Okay. I am ready with the paint. I am going to go get my son. So I'm on the ground with Riley. He's looking a little tired today, thankfully, because we took him for a couple of car rides. So let's see how this goes. I have my paint pretty watered down, hoping that that is a good consistency, and I have my wipes on hand. Let me get them out of the package. Can you sit? That's a good boy. Can I have a paw? Let me see. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You're fine. Okay. Now, let's wipe it off. And you're going to put it down, and then, okay. And then lift. Interesting. I don't think that worked the way I wanted it to. Look how purple your paw is. You're going to be purple for a while. You're not going to trust me again, are ya? Come. Okay, sit. Good boy. Can I have your paw again? I know, it's not the best, eh? It's not that fun. It's fun for Mom, if that's any consolation. Let's get some of this yellow off the boy. Oh. You're so yellow. Can you do one more for Mom? Can you do one more? I think you could do it. You're gonna get so many treats after, baby. So many treats. Okay, ready? Ready? It's okay, you got this. It's the last one. It's the last one, baby. And then we're gonna put it right here. Right there. Oh, you got it. You got it, boy. And let's get your work of art up. I won't make you do it again. Thank you for letting me do that. I appreciate you. Can you see again? He's like, no, Mom. I don't want you to see them, because every time you touch them, you put them in paint. Now, it's not perfect by any means, but it is a painting that my boy did. This one kind of looks like it's upside down, but I think it's just the hair in between his toes that did that, and I didn't saturate the back of his paw enough. But anyway, My boy did it and it's perfect. So I'm gonna put the stems on it and that should finish it up. I'm just gonna use this like normal nice green. Thank you for hanging out with me for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was a short one, but hopefully it was a fun one, and now you have an idea for something that you can do with your furry friend. And yeah, if you liked it, please like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see in the future, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!